Hayabusa. Famed for its abundant power, agility, and majestic presence. Legendary for establishing new levels of ultimate sport performance and for retaining the #1 position for the past 2 decades in the class it created. Fast forward to today. Total commitment and tireless effort give birth to a new generation, perfectly poised to carry riders boldly into the future. The all-new Hayabusa features even smoother power delivery and nimbler handling. A collection of the latest electronic systems optimizes performance characteristics to make it even more controllable and predictable. And it wraps all this in a breathtaking package that will instantly turn heads with its style and grace. The design concept is the refined beast. It expresses poise and grace born of the all-new Hayabusa's keen perceptive abilities that put the rider in full control over its abundant power. The aerodynamic silhouette brings rider and bike together as one. Flowing uninterrupted from the front, across the fuel tank, and off the upswept tail, it honors the legacy of the Hayabusa's low, long, and wide stance. It's a thoroughly modern design, distinguished by the aggressive stance of its mass-forward image. The color concept aims to create a visual impression of incredible performance potential waiting to be tapped. Color and chrome accents contrast blacked-out panel sections to express aerodynamic styling, while sharp edges add to the impact. The overall effect is one of sophistication and elegance that takes the design to a higher level. Bright metallic accents flow from the sides of the body to the upswept mufflers, expressing strength and refined quality. Accents of note include the chrome V-shaped moldings in front of the side air ducts and the black diffusers that extend from the sides of the upper cowl near the handlebars. A single-seat cowling is available as a genuine accessory. When attached, it enhances the aerodynamic silhouette and raises the look of quality to one of ultimate styling. The new 7-spoke wheel design improves the feel of tire grip and contributes to greater handling stability. The new Hayabusa features updated logo designs. The highly stylized strokes of the new Japanese logo express power and dynamism, while the English logo features a long cross-stroke on the H that emphasizes a sense of speed. Fine attention to detail throughout brings visual pleasure wherever your eyes land. While the front face inherits the daunting image of a bird of prey, the new Hayabusa features a refined design with greater impact. Features include the large, bold styling of its vertically stacked headlight and LED rear combination lights, as well as fine touches throughout the headlight assembly that heighten its sharp, intelligent appearance. The vertically stacked headlight design is comprised of a projector-type LED high beam coupled with 4 low-beam LEDs that shine across a reflector panel. This updated design improves functionality and gives the headlight a more modern look. The new LED position lights with integrated turn signals are a first on a Suzuki motorcycle. White lighting for the position lights, contrasted by flashing orange turn signals, creates a unique and highly visible illumination scheme. The bold new LED taillight and rear turn signal design creates a wide, sharp accent that runs horizontally across the bottom of the tail section. Power is supplied by the latest iteration of the Hayabusa's legendary 1,340 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC 16-valve inline-4 engine. Developed using the latest CAE analytical tools to refine and improve a large number of the internal components, the new engine continues to deliver ultimate performance potential, while at the same time improving combustion efficiency, environmental responsibility, and durability. The new Hayabusa's engine achieves greater power and torque with smoother delivery throughout the low to mid-speed range. A new exhaust header pipe connecting cylinders 1 and 4, optimized cam profiles, a 1 mm reduction in the throttle body inner diameter, and a 12 mm extension to the overall intake pipe length combine to increase engine output at low to mid-range speeds. The new Hayabusa also adopts Suzuki's side feed injector. This new dual injector design places the secondary injector at an angle on the side of the intake funnel. Its spray strikes a reflecting plate in the funnel and forms a fine mist that contributes to increase in power and torque output. These refinements result in delivering power in predictable fashion, enabling the rider to control the bike as they please across a wide range of speeds. A new two-stage catalytic converter system positions an elliptical converter in the collector and cylindrical ones in each of the right and left mufflers. This combines with the introduction of a second O2 sensor to help satisfy Euro 5 emission standards. Refinements to the twin swirl combustion chamber improve the intake flow coefficient as the valve begins to open and increase combustion efficiency. The new exhaust system satisfies Euro 5 emission standards while featuring a compact, lightweight design. The coloring the new mufflers take on over time enables each rider to add a unique personal touch that reflects his or her riding style. A new assist and slipper clutch brings a lighter touch to clutch lever operation and provides smoother shifting and engine response during engine braking and corner entry. The all-new Hayabusa engine adopts Suzuki's ride-by-wire electronic throttle system. It provides linear response with a light, natural feeling to throttle operations. And because the ECM controls throttle body action, it allows for the introduction of the all-new Hayabusa's advanced electronic control systems. The all-new Hayabusa's outstanding core strength starts with its tried-and-true twin-spar aluminum frame and swing arm. The frame incorporates extruded aluminum sections that lend the right amount of suppleness and strength to its overall rigid alloy structure. These sections are critically important in achieving the overall balance required by machines that deliver ultimate performance, which is why they're also used on a number of supercar frames. This frame is an essential factor in making the Hayabusa the ultimate sport bike. Excelling in terms of reliability and durability, Suzuki's most rigid motorcycle frame shines in supporting high performance in a wide range of riding situations. Extensive clay modeling to fine-tune the design, along with numerous rounds of wind tunnel testing, achieved the optimum form that gives the all-new Hayabusa one of the best drag coefficients among street-legal motorcycles, and earns it a podium spot as one of the top 3 in terms of CDA. The chrome moldings on the side draw wind away from the rider's legs, while diffusers extending from the sides of the upper cowl protect the rider's elbows and knuckles from the wind. This commitment to maximizing aerodynamic potential enables the all-new Hayabusa to achieve its nominal top speed of 299 kilometers per hour. The mirrors also feature an attractive new design that retains the same aerodynamic performance of the previous generation. Handlebars mounted 12 millimeters closer to the rider vastly improve comfort, reduce fatigue, and enhance handling control when enjoying a sporty ride. Changes to the front suspension and shock absorber settings achieve great high-speed stability and nimbler, more controllable handling at low to mid-range speeds. Bridgestone's new Batlax Hypersport S22 tires were designed exclusively for the Hayabusa to provide better grip, all while retaining a great level of durability. Years of joint development between Suzuki and Bridgestone produced tires featuring a new compound and construction. These tires heighten grip on dry roads and performance in wet conditions, while also providing greater all-round agility. The marked difference they demonstrate in straight-line stability and cornering grip offers every rider a more exciting and confidence-building experience. Brembo's latest Stilema radial mount front brake calipers feature a lighter, more compact design that cools the brake pads more quickly. These calipers, combined with the 10mm increase in the outer diameter of the 320mm floating front discs, to improve braking power and feel. MotoGP machines inspired the holes introduced in the clutch and brake levers. They add a fine design touch while also reducing the chance of wind pressure pushing against the brake lever. Riders love the familiar layout and outstanding functionality of the Hayabusa's instrument cluster. It lives on, as do the large analog speedometer and tachometer, while now benefiting from a number of new touches that make its functional brilliance shine even brighter. Gold color accents add an extra look of luxury. Advanced function received as much attention as design. One standout new feature is the TFT LCD panel mounted in the center. It displays either the current SDMS Alpha systems settings or an active data display that shows lean angle with peak hold function, front and rear brake pressure, rate of forward-reverse acceleration, and the current accelerator position. The ability to confirm the bike's status at any time makes riding all the more enjoyable. Raised scale markings around the periphery of the speedometer and tachometer use LED lighting to provide a clearer view and faster recognition. The all-new Hayabusa is equipped with the latest electronic control systems. Designed to optimize performance characteristics to match the needs of the moment, they offer a strong sense of communicating directly with the bike's heart and brain as the rider explores the potential of the ultimate sport bike. Supporting these advanced control systems is a new 6-axis inertial measurement unit supplied by Bosch. The IMU measures angular rate and acceleration to constantly monitor pitch, roll, and yaw movement, and supplies data valuable to effectively controlling traction and braking. The all-new Hayabusa also adopts Suzuki Drive Mode Selector Alpha. It allows the rider to choose settings for each of 5 different control systems as a group. SDMS Alpha offers a choice between 3 factory presets as well as 3 user-defined settings that let the rider switch modes to match the riding scene or preferred performance characteristics. When activated, Motion Track Traction Control offers 10 mode settings that enable the rider to control the Hayabusa with confidence in varying riding conditions. The higher the mode, the faster the control takes effect, and more proactive the system is in limiting wheel spin. The system constantly monitors front and rear wheel speed, engine RPM, throttle position, and gear position, as well as the amount of lean angle. When it detects an imminent loss of traction, the ECM controls output to the electronic throttle valve, ignition coil, and fuel injectors to limit power and mitigate the chance of tire slipping. Power Mode Selector lets the rider select between 3 different output characteristic modes. Mode 1 provides the sharpest throttle response, Mode 2 provides more linear power delivery with softer throttle response. And Mode 3 provides the softest throttle response and a more gentle power curve with reduced maximum output. Suzuki's bidirectional quick shift system allows the rider to shift up or down without operating the clutch or throttle. Smooth shift changes help keep the focus purely on riding. 2 modes are offered, with Mode 1 reacting more quickly to replicate racing-style response, and Mode 2 offering a lighter touch. The anti-lift control system uses data input from the IMU and other sensors to work toward keeping the front wheel on the ground when accelerating. This helps maintain a more stable posture off the line. This new Suzuki technology offers a selection of 10 modes that supply differing levels of control over lift characteristics. A first on a Suzuki motorcycle, the engine brake control system provides control over the effective strength of engine braking. This makes it possible to suppress rear tire sliding or skipping when decelerating after releasing the throttle grip or downshifting. The rider can choose from one of 3 mode settings and match the level of control to his or her preference. Launch control helps ensure smooth, efficient acceleration from a standing start. The system aims to limit engine speed and optimize torque transfer, so the rider can open the throttle wide and concentrate solely on operating the clutch. Mode 1 limits engine speed on launch to 4,000 RPM. Mode 2 operates at 6,000 RPM, and Mode 3, the fastest mode, operates at 8,000 RPM. The new Hayabusa introduces active speed limiter as a first in the motorcycle industry. It allows the rider to set a speed they do not wish to exceed and decelerate normally by backing off the throttle. By lessening worries about speeding or riding faster than intended, the system frees the rider to focus on enjoying a spirited ride. Cruise control allows the rider to maintain a set speed without operating the throttle. The system can be activated while riding at 2,000 to 7,000 RPM in second gear or higher, and can be set for speeds between 31 km per hour and 200 km per hour. With combined braking, simply operating the front brake lever provides braking power to both the front and rear brakes. This helps promote more confident braking. The Motion Track brake system supports controlled braking in a wide variety of riding conditions. The ABS unit's ECM uses input from the front and rear wheel speed sensors, as well as vehicle posture data from the IMU to control brake pressure and achieve more effective braking. This helps the rider to maintain their intended line through the corner. The new Hayabusa's slope-dependent control system helps prevent rear wheel lift when braking on a downhill slope. The ABS unit uses input from the IMU to monitor the bike's posture, and when the rider applies the brakes, control brake pressure to try and find the optimum setting to match the angle of inclination. The aim is to achieve more stable braking even when riding downhill. The hill hold control system is a convenient function that, after stopping on an uphill incline, helps ensure smoother restarts free of worries that the bike will roll backward. When turned on, the system uses input from the IMU, which constantly monitors the bike's posture to engage the rear brake for 30 seconds once the rider comes to a stop on a hill. It can be disengaged either by quickly squeezing the front brake lever twice, or when the ECM determines that the rider is accelerating to pull away from a standing start. The emergency stop signal is another first on a Suzuki motorcycle. It rapidly flashes the front and rear turn signals to alert following vehicles if the rider brakes suddenly at speeds of 55 km per hour or higher. The new Hayabusa boasts extremely high durability. While the Hayabusa has long been renowned for its durability and reliability, the tireless efforts of the development team have evolved it to a new, higher level. Changes to the crankshaft oil passages deliver oil more efficiently and increase both the flow and pressure at the crank. The overall result is improved engine lubrication. The latest CAE analytic tools were used to optimize the shape of the pistons and connecting rods. This reduces weight and increases rigidity in a manner that contributes to greater durability. Conical machining inside the wrist pin holes further enhances durability by mitigating stress transferred to the pistons. Extending the length of the transmission shaft needle bearing rollers also contributes to enhancing durability. Angle control tightening replaces torque control tightening for the engine case bolts. In addition, threading of the upper crankcase cover holes is changed from cut threads to harder rolled threads, which contribute to enhancing durability. Attention to every component and every bolt produces stronger parts and reduces internal vibration. This in turn contributes to even greater engine durability. In addition to subjecting the all-new Hayabusa to drop tests and vibration endurance tests, prototype units were ridden tens of thousands of kilometers to prove the model's mettle. Such rigorous testing helped achieve an unmatched level of durability. Poised to create a new legend. Poised to deliver the ultimate riding experience. Get ready to tame the beast and create new legends of your own. Get ready for the new Hayabusa, the ultimate sport bike.